Hello everyone, welcome back to the second lecture in Node.js programming tutorial from W3 grads. In this video, we will be looking at Nodejs Installation. To start building your Node.js applications, the first step is the installation of the Node.js framework. The Node.js framework is available for a variety of operating systems, right from Windows to Ubuntu and Mac OS X. Once the Node.js framework is installed, you can start building your first Node.js applications. Node.js also has the ability to embed external functionality, or extended functionality, by making use of custom modules. These modules have to be installed separately. An example of a module is the MongoDB module, which allows you to work with MongoDB databases from your Node.js application. Now, let us quickly begin with the installation of Node.js. Here, we will be using the Windows 10 machine for the demonstration. Firstly, we will go to our browser, and type https://nodejs.org. The home page of Node.js official website will open. Now, we will click on the Downloads tab. Here, the Windows installer, .msi file, and .zip files are available for Windows operating system. We will select the 64-bit .msi file. A message box will appear, asking us to save the file. We will click on Save File, and this will begin the file download. After the file is downloaded, we will click on the downloaded file. A Node.js installation wizard will appear. Now, we will click the Next button to continue with the installation. The next screen will ask us to accept the license agreement. We will check the box, and click on the Next button. In the next screen, we will be asked to choose the location where Node.js needs to be installed. We will not make any changes in the file path, and then click on the Next button to proceed with the installation. Again, in the next screen, we will need to select the way in which we want the features to be installed. We will accept the default components, and click on the Next button. In the next screen, we will be asked to install tools necessary to install native modules. Here, we will click on the Next button. Then, again in the next screen, we will click on the Install button to start the installation. The installation will begin. We will wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, we will click on Finish to exit the setup wizard. Now that our setup is successfully installed, we will verify our installation. So, we will open the command prompt, and type node -v, and press enter. We will see v12.18.1 displayed in the command prompt. In the same way, we can also check for Node Package Manager. So, we will type npm -v, and press enter. This time, we will see 6.14.5 being displayed in the command prompt window. So, this is all about the installation of Node.js in Windows machine. I hope you have understood the complete process of installation of Node.js. In the next video, we will learn to create a basic Hello World application on Node.js. So, keep learning and I will see you next time. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more interesting uploads. Thank you for watching this video.